Be sure to keep him out of trouble.
Will do, Batman. I can handle Damian.
Try to keep an extra eye on John. He's still not used to his powers yet.
I know a thing or two about dealing with unstable powers. Don't worry, I'm prepared.
Also, make sure John doesn't use the iPad before bed. He won't sleep a wink if he's on there watching Let's Plays all night.
Now make sure Master Damian doesn't have any sweets while he's under your care. Believe me, he may not have superpowers, but that boy can be quite the handful when he's had too much sugar.
Don't worry, Mrs. Kent and Mr. Pennyworth. John and Damian aren't the first kids superheroes I've babysat for. Everything is gonna be fine. Trust me.
All right. Thanks for everything, Rachel.
We'll be back at 10:30.
Okay, see you then. Best of luck.
Oh my gosh, kids?
Where am I? Did we just teleport? I think I'm going to throw up.
Oh, hello, Raven. You must be our babysitter for today. I would like a protein shake.
Wow, Raven's our babysitter? Awesome! Can you do a spell?
Thanks again for letting me pawn the scarecrow off to you, Kara. No problem, Raven. I was heading to Gotham anyway to meet with Tim. That's nice, Kara. Say hi to Dick for me if he's in town. You got it. Well, I guess
Raven, I can't find Robin anywhere. Cousin Kara!
John! Come here, little buddy!
Oh, I love you so much! You little cinnamon roll. You're just the cutest cousin ever!
Yuck.
Found you, Damian. You're behind the sofa.
Aw, man. Curse you, Kent! You cheated! You used your X-ray vision, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Kids, calm down.
Well, I'd love to stay and help you with the super tots, but I gotta go take Scarecrow here back to Gotham. Goodbye, Kara.
Goodbye, Kara.
Bye, big cousin.
Bye, you guys! Oh, and John, don't run around the apartment with your super speed powers, bud. You know how your parents get. Bye, Raven! See you on girls' night!
Oh, God. How long was I out? Wait. What's going on? Oh, my God! Ah!
Okay, what do you two want to do now?
Ice cream parlor!
How about we do some training?
Ice cream parlor it is.
Yay!
Who am I kidding? Yay! Ice cream parlor! So the next thing you know, Red Hood's dancing around in a tutu serving coffee.
That's really funny, dude.
Yeah, that's very funny, Robin.
Alrighty, here are your orders.
Thank you.
Ziegenfelder, I told you to put that Nintendo down.
Over your dead body, skinny man.
That doesn't even make sense.
Let's dig in, boys.
Oh boy, I love ice cream.
Alright, calm yourself, boy of steel. Don't make a scene.
Huh? Wait a minute. This ice cream tastes weird.
Really? Why don't you use your telescopic vision to check it out?
Good idea! Wow, there's a lot less sugar crystals in this.
How do you know about sugar crystals?
The magic school bus.
Okay then, if...
Uh-oh.
Sugar. 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 Sugar!
Robin, please remain...
Sugar! Robin loves sugar!
Robin, come back!
Okay, so the loincloth.
Enough about the Loincloth!
Out of Robin's way!
Robin, stop!
Oh no.
Glad that's not my kid.
So yeah, I've been reborn on multiple occasions. There have even been times that I've been reborn without dying beforehand.
Interesting. Sometimes I feel like I'm nearly every woman and girl, if that makes sense.
What? That's crazy.
How dare you?
We are Legion.
The heck?
We are womankind. Ah!
Oh no! I died and now I'm a pirate boy!
Batman's my papa! Woo! Ooh, a snake! Robin loves snakes. Robin loves all animals. Woo! Snaky time!
Robin, don't! No!
No!
Robin, get a hold of yourself. You're acting crazy.
Am not. Robin likes animals. That's my thing.
D, it's a wild snake.
Hater.
Okay, I've fought an evil brain in a jar and my demon dad before, but I really don't know how to deal with something this weird and crazy.
What about your cool magic powers? Why don't you use one of your spells or something to make him go to sleep?
I'll try. Azarath, Metreon, Zinthos!
Why isn't it working?
Johnny?
Oh, sorry. Hold on. Okay, it's done.
I'll try again. Azarath, Metreon, Zinthos!
Your powers won't work on me. I'm Robin, the son of...
Wow, you went out like a light.
Okay, I think it's time to head home.
Is he purring?
Maybe we'll stop by Petco for his dinner on the way home. Set him down.
Whoa, awesome!
What the crap is wrong with those guys? Who knows?
Hey Barda, do you think we should have actually done something about what just happened?
I think the bigger question is, why is it that nearly everyone else in this park has just been standing around not doing or saying anything this entire time?
Yeah, we should probably get out of here.
Agreed.
Ah! What happened? Where am I? Why's my stomach hurt?
It's okay, Damian. You're in the Kent's apartment. You've been asleep.
There was a mix-up at the ice cream parlor with our orders. I got your low-sugar ice cream, and you got my normal ice cream.
Yeah, and it made you really hyper.
Yeah, it's like the sugar turned you into some sort of crazed toddler. It was pretty funny.
It's nighttime? How long was I out?
About 5 hours?
What? 5 hours?
I'm so sorry, Damian. We couldn't get you to calm down, so I used my magic to make you fall asleep. I don't usually use that spell on small kids. That's probably why it went wrong. I'm very sorry. Please don't tell your dad.
Well, it was a pretty good nap. You're fine for now.
Thanks.
I'm hungry. Can we order pizza?
That sounds like an excellent idea. I will have a veggie.
And I'll have pepperoni, please.
All right, I'll order pizzas then. Why don't you two go take showers and get in your pajamas while we wait for the pizzas to get here?
Sounds fine to me.
That is also an excellent idea. I shall bathe first, but before that, get out of my way! I need to pee!
Ah, here's your order. 1 delicious pizza pie with the works and 1 veggie-licious veggie pizza pie. Hot and freshy delicious.
Thank you. Here's your tip.
Delightful. Thanks.
Whoa, lightful? Yeah. Thanks. Have a nice night.
Will doodle. Ooh, one more thing, home doggette.
Say hi to your pops for me, Ray Ray. F yeah. Satan out.
I'm sorry, did you say something? Oh, he's gone. Oh well.
There's something very weird about this pizza. Oh, there's no sausage on it. Oh well, still yummy.
Hello and welcome back to Inside the Villain's Lair. I am your host, James Lipton. If you're just joining us now, allow me to reiterate that my guest tonight is the infamous Gotham City serial killer, the Joker.
Hello.
Mr. Joker, tonight we have spoken about the first time you went toe-to-toe against the superhero Batman, your favorite methods of torture, and your love of vaudeville. You then riveted us with tales of your childhood, none of which are consistent with each other whatsoever. You have also threatened my life a total of 4 times. These said threats involved comically sized amputated posteriors, instructional videos on operating universal television remotes, something called TikTok, and a singing salmon plaque that omits mustard gas. All of these threats were made before the first commercial break, I might add.
Oh yes, it's been a night of high-quality televised entertainment, hasn't it, J-Lips?
So, why do you believe that you are so appealing as a supervillain?
That's an excellent question, Dr. Fraser Crane. You see, it's actually quite simple. My thing is that I am both a scary, psychotic murderer, but I am also a legitimately funny guy. I can make people laugh, and I can make them shiver in terror at the same time. That's pretty appealing, am I right? I honestly think that if Jack the Ripper had used rubber chickens to commit his atrocities, he too could have elementary schoolers dressing up as him for Halloween.
A very interesting point. But why a clown?
What?
Well, I mean...
Why are you a clown, James?
I'm sorry?
What's with the stuffy, hoity-toity disposition, Lipty? For over 20 years, you hosted a TV show where you had little chit-chats with people who specialize in playing make-believe in front of a camera. Loosen up! You're just a clown in a monkey suit.
All good?
Why aren't you scared of me?
Joker, I am 93 years old. I don't give a. That is actually an excellent segue for my next question. What is your favorite curse word? Bum, bum, ba da ba bum, bum. This singing joke was funny when I was 15. Ba 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 bum.
No! My balls!
Okay, time to get you two to bed.
What the apartment! I'm so screwed.
Pikachu! What's up, one Titan and two babies? Oh god, that was terrible.
Pika, Pika!
What the? Who are you?
What are you doing here?
Pikachu!
Pokemon Go, wait outside, Pikachu. You know how they feel about Mega Blocks around here.
Pika, Pika, Pikachu!
Sayonara, Pikachu-san. Hopefully one day, Lego and Mega Blocks can live in peace.
Pika, Pika! Pikachu!
Anyway, sup, suckers? Deadpool here. Can you believe there's been 10 years of this? Holy expletive.
Why are you in my apartment? Why do you look like Spider-Man?
Ignoring that deceased running joke. Hey, Skinny Man, when are you gonna continue the whole Deadpool in the DC Universe arc? It's been freaking 4 years! Come on! I wanna fight Chip the Green Lantern Squirrel. Also, you know I do more than breaking the fourth wall, right? Let me kill some jerks!
Identify yourself.
Additionally, why didn't any of the heroes in the background during the park scene do anything about Damian freaking out? Just because this is non-canon doesn't mean you can
That's it. Let's get him, Super Sons.
Good night, everybody.
What? The special's over? Why didn't we get anything to do? We just got a post-credit scene! Come on!
Yes, this is some grade A bull.